I'm going to show you how you can easily get infinite dice in Monopoly Go. First, open Monopoly Go on your mobile device. Now tap on the coin icon on the right side of the screen. This will show you various options for acquiring more coins, which can help you earn more dice. Next, play the game regularly to accumulate rewards, including dice. The more you play, the more opportunities you have to earn extra items. Then try participating in the Harvest Heyday event. This event often provides bonuses and can increase your chances of earning more dice. After that, go back and search for websites that offer links to get free dice. Many gaming communities share promotional links where you can obtain extra dice. Finally, keep checking these sources to access links that provide infinite dice and improve your gameplay experience.